lost your Gmail, and those pesky verification codes are nowhere to be found. Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to get your account back. First things first, head to the Gmail login page instead of trying to enter a code. Look for links like Forgot Email or Forgot Password, and click on it. This is your gateway to alternative recovery methods. You'll be taken to the Google account recovery page here. You'll typically be asked to enter your last known password even if you're unsure. Give it your best guess. If that doesn't work, Google will then present you with other options. One of the most common fallback options is answering your security questions. Think back to when you set up your account and provide the accurate answers to those questions. Precision is key here. If security questions aren't your strong suit, or you've forgotten those too, Google might ask for a recovery phone number or email address you previously added. If you still have access to that verified phone or email, you can receive a code there. This is why keeping your recovery information up to date is so important. Another powerful method is using a trusted device. If you've logged into your Gmail on a familiar phone or computer, Google might recognize it and bypass the code requirement, or offer a prompt on that device to confirm it's you. If none of the automated options work, you're not out of luck. Scroll down the recovery page or search the Google Help Center for options to contact support or get help. This can sometimes lead to more direct assistance from Google's support team. By exploring these alternative recovery paths, you can often regain access to your Gmail account, even without relying on those elusive verification codes. Stay secure and keep that account safe.